Well, hello everyone, it's me, Daniel with Website Candy, and here's a video I've been meaning to create forever. It's kind of a two-part video. One part I want to show you a program called Jumpcut. I do believe that's what it's called here. Let me go over here to it and go to my preferences, and yeah, it's called Jumpcut, and it's a small little program. And you can see launch Jumpcut at login right there. Real simple, real easy. You download it. Doesn't even really seem like it's working, but in the background, it's working all the time. Right here, I have my hotkey set up as Command, Control, and J to do my little population of things, and I'll show you that here in a moment. But the real rock star and the real part of the tutorial here is going to be in regards to shortcut you probably didn't know that works with a Mac, and it also works with an iPhone. Any Apple product I do believe it works with. So just go ahead and give it a try and let me know how it works out for you. But right here I'm just going to type my name, and if you're doing a web form, actually a lot of times it already has your information there, so you don't necessarily need to put all the information in there. So I'm just going to go ahead and just drop it, and you can see how I just put all my information right in there. So right here I'm going to just type in my last name, Portis, and as you can see I can select this right here and I can copy it the long way. I can hit Command C and copy it, and if I come over here and I'm going to hit Command C and copy this as well, but if you see right here, if I hit Command, Option, and J, you can see my it goes up to, like, I want to say 99 cuts, whatever the case may be. So I'm gonna just go ahead and just scroll through. I'm just continuously hitting J, and I'm gonna scroll through till I get my last name, let it go, and it populates it in the field right there. So this is just a web form I'm just filling out for this tutorial. You could possibly be filling out, you know, a form that's real popular right now on the web. Is like the unemployment form. So this could absolutely save you and help you if you need to fill out the same information on a bunch of different pages. So the next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put my email address in here, and I'm just gonna spoof it. I'm gonna just say g@gmail.com, and then the number, I'm gonna just do just a bunch of just fake numbers here. Now when it comes to the address here, I'm gonna go back to my Jumpcut, Command Option J, and you can see the address that I have here, which is a spoof address. This is not where I live, but right here is it's asking me for different information, such as the city, the line 2, city, state, zip code, the US. But here's the rock star right here. I want to really show you this. So if you select by double clicking the word that you want to move, okay, you're just going to move the word Phoenix there, and as I click down on it and I got a long press and I hold it, you can see the word Phoenix is kind of floating in the background, and when I put my cursor there, it's going to drop the word Phoenix there. Right here, Suite 190, I'm going to select all that right there by just kind of pressing down, clicking down, holding, and just highlighting slowly what I want there. Suite 190, I'm going to just go ahead on the blue. I'm going to long press on my keyboard, press down. As you can see, the word 190 starts to move around. I let go, it drops down there. The zip code, I'm just going to just double click, 12, it highlights blue. Long press, hold it down. I'm going to bring the zip code over here, and then the state, I'm going to just double press, double click, click down, long press, and drop it right there. And basically that's pretty much it. That's all I wanted to show you in this tutorial. Of a lot of times your guys are doing a lot of copying and pasting or retyping things that you don't necessarily need to retype, and you get yourself into a situation with the auto completion to where it doesn't necessarily put things in the right field as you want them to. It might do a good job by putting the address, it doesn't necessarily do a good job by putting the suite right there as far as where it should be. So go ahead and give it a try. Let me know how it works out for you guys, and thanks for watching. All right, goodbye.